Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, my name is Angelique. Welcome. I literally just filmed for like 10 minutes and my hair looked so god awful because I got totally poured on today. So I had to go and throw a wig on, and you guys already know that I kind of suck at putting wigs on, so don't judge me too harshly. Anyways, I am so excited today for this video. If you guys clicked on it, then you already know by the title that this is going to be my very first PR unboxing video. So before I get started, I just want to throw out this little disclaimer about me personally and my channel. I will never, I know people say this all the time, but I genuinely mean it with all of my heart. I will never put anything on my channel or say that I love anything on my channel that I don't genuinely love. Or I won't say that I like it if I don't like it. I will always try to be honest with you guys. I have bought tons and tons and tons of makeup over the years. I know what I like, I know what I don't like, and so if I don't talk about it, then that means that I didn't like it. Or that could also mean that I haven't tried it. I don't know. I know that sometimes it's hard to get around that, because if you're in the middle of a tutorial and you're using a product for the first time and then you don't like it, then you kind of have to say that. So that will be like the instances where I do that, but I don't want to be a channel that is just constantly like, oh, I don't like this, and I don't like this brand, and I don't like this. So anyways, moving on. I just wanted to say that before I get into these products, because when I say, oh my god, I love this brand, or oh my god, I love this, then I want you guys to know that I'm genuine and I sincerely mean it. And I also want to say that I have received a lot of emails from different brands to do YouTube videos or Instagram videos or an Instagram post or something to do with their products, and I honest to God have turned so many down or just not answered them at all, because I would look at their Instagram feed and their products didn't look like the quality that I would prefer, or I would look at their website and it just kind of looked, you know, or if it's just something that I know that I wouldn't like personally, because I'm not like 20 years old anymore, so there's some things that don't appeal to me, and so I have turned that stuff down because I don't want to be disingenuous on my channel. So that leads me into the very first PR package that I ever received, and I wanted to say that first so that you know that when I say I did my research on the company before I accepted, then you know I'm telling the truth. And the first brand that I chose to work with is a brand called Movement. Now, when they emailed me, I was like, hold on a minute, like, you know, who is this? And so I went and looked at their Instagram feed first, and their Instagram feed was beautiful. And they let me choose any two products that I wanted to post a picture to my Instagram. So the first thing I chose was a watch, because I love watches. Anybody who knows me knows that I love watches. I didn't want to get a rose gold, a silver, or a gold, because I already have a watch in all of those colors. So I chose the Orion, and it's like a titanium and rose gold like mix, and this is what it looks like. Like, this is such a beautiful watch. I love it so much, and if you're wondering why I'm not wearing it right now, it's because my wrist is a little bit fatter than the watch, and it did come with 4 extra links, and I would need to get some put in, but we only have like one little jewelry place in our little town in Kentucky, and it's actually a Walmart, and they would not do it for me because I didn't get my watch from there. I don't know. It retails for $165, and I am very thankful that they chose me. Actually, when they emailed me and I saw their feed and how nice it was, and then I went to their website and saw how nice it was, and everything looked so legit and so beautiful, I was like, oh my god, did they like mistaken me for somebody else? Like, you know, did you guys make a mistake? Are you sure that I'm like who you wanted to send this to? But anyways, the second thing that I got, or that I chose, from their website was this double barbed cuff, and I got it because I felt like it really matched the watch and I wanted to be able to wear the two together. And so I'll show you them together. So they both have like kind of like that gunmetal kind of look to them, and they have the rose gold accent. So that's what I chose, and I honestly just wanted this watch because I wanted a really nice everyday watch that I could just wear around all the time. Okay, so the second thing I received this the end of last week, and I don't know if it's really considered PR because I only got like one thing, but I am super excited because I genuinely, honest to God, use this product every single day. And when I tell you every day, I mean like every single day. This is one of my favorite products, and I use it in all of my videos. If I do my brows, then you guys will always see me use this product. So it is from the Brow Gal, and it is the Instant Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. So I cannot wait to film an updated brow tutorial to show you guys how much I love this and why I love this so much. So thank you so much to Tanya Crooks and the Brow Gal for sending me one of my favorite brow products ever, and also for giving me a discount code for my subscribers. And so if you guys go on to their website, I will link this product down below, and if you use code Angelique, then you will get some money off. Yay! Okay, so now for the big package, and I am so excited for this. And when you guys see what it is, I think you'll be excited too. Sigma! Oh my god! And then I also think I just dropped some stuff out of it. But I am so excited about this because if you guys have been following me from the beginning, I have 2 Sigma brushes to my name. And the 2 Sigma brushes I have are the E40 and the E65, and I use those almost every single time. The first thing that came in the box is a little card, and they actually wrote on it, and it's got my name, so they like really meant to send it to me. I'm sorry, I'm just like can't believe it. Angelique, woo! Welcome to the Sigma family. Enjoy your Sigma goodies. XO Shy, S-H-A-I, so I think that's how you say your name. And they included this handy dandy little pamphlet. Okay, so the first thing that came in my Sigma PR box is this Sigma Spa Express brush cleaning mat. I'm so excited because I don't have one of these, and I've seen them like all over Instagram and Facebook, like those little Facebook videos and stuff, and it has like all of these different patterns and stuff on it. I'll try to put it up here close so that hopefully you guys can see it pretty good. Okay, so the next thing that came in the box is this travel size brushes for everyday and beyond. Well, that's what it says on the back. The actual name of it is Sigma Essential Trio Brush Set. This is so cool. It comes with a brush 10, the F40 large angled contour, an E25 blending brush, and an E55 eye shading brush. I will try these brushes and let you guys know if I like them or not. Actually, I think what I would like to do is like just a total video, like a complete video using everything that I got in this Sigma box. And if that's something you guys want to see, please leave me a comment or DM me and let me know if you would like to see a video of me using all the products that came in this box. And then I can give you like my honest to God, like for real feedback on it, because like just because I got this for free doesn't mean that I'm gonna say, oh, I love it. If I made a video and then I didn't like anything in it, then I probably just wouldn't post the video. So if you never see a video from me using everything in this box, then you know why. And so the next thing that came in the box is this Sig Magic brush shampoo, and I'm so excited for this because the other day I went to do some wedding and a makeup, and I went to do some makeup at a wedding, and I had actually ran out of cleaners, so I stopped at the dollar store and got some baby shampoo. So thank you so much, Sigma. It's like you like know me already. Okay, I have seen this all over Instagram, and I'm so excited. I was really hoping, I didn't get to pick what came in this box. I mean, she just told me that she was sending me out a box, and I was like, oh my god, yay! Like, I didn't ask for anything. But I have seen this all over Instagram, so I'm super, super excited to use it. And this is the Sigma Longwear Eyeliner Pencil. And I'm just going to go ahead and like swatch it on my head. Oh! Just one little swap. I barely touched it to my skin. Look at this. Oh my god! Okay, I suck at drawing lines apparently. Oh, this is so nice. The next thing that is in the box is this Sigma Lip Eclipse in the shade She Knows the Robes, and it looks like it might be red because the little dot on the end is red. So, oh, okay, this is definitely a red, so I'm just gonna, it's more of like an, I don't know, like an orangey pink, like a tangerine. That's what it's more like. Okay, so yes, this is Lip Eclipse Pigmented Lip Gloss, and I am going to say I haven't worn it on my lips, but you can see that was like with one swipe, and it is definitely pigmented. Okay, so I just took a makeup wipe to wipe that off, and I like went over that eyeliner, and it's not even coming off. And this is like a really good makeup wipe that usually gets my makeup off. Okay, that's a few more swipes, so I'm just gonna... It's still on there! Holy cow! Look at this! This makeup is wet and everything! Oh my god! I mean, this makeup wipe. Holy cow! It's still on there. Okay, well, I think I already have, like, my opinion about that. Okay, so the next thing we have in here is another blending brush, and this is the E32. Oh my god! I love this! It is a 3D HD blender. Oh my gosh, I have to take this out and show it to you guys. Let me tell you why I'm so excited about this. Because there's two blenders that I usually use, and for different reasons. One of them is this black beauty blender. I don't know why, and I don't know if there's really a difference, but I love the black one. It's my favorite. And then I also use this Morphe one, and the reason I love it is because it's got this angled sharp edge. And then I also use this little mini beauty blender because it's so small. I can get like right in here really good with it. So I literally use 3 beauty blenders, beauty sponges or whatever, just because I need them for different things. But holy moly, let me show you this one. This one, okay, it is black, like the black beauty blender that I love. It has the sharp contour edges on it, like the Morphe one, and then the edge of it is like this super tiny, precise, sharp edge. Oh my god, it gets in there perfect! If I can go down from 3 beauty blenders or 3 beauty sponges down to 1, oh my god, my life will be made. I will save myself so much money. That's the one thing that, like, if my husband's with me at Sephora, he's like, really? Like, you're gonna spend that much money on all of those beauty blenders? And I'm like, yes, honey, I need them. So, I mean, he would be super excited too. Okay, so the next thing that is in the box is this Aura Powder face powder, and it looks like it's in the shade Nymphea. I'm not really sure, so I'm just gonna write it right below. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. It's a blush, but this is such a beautiful, it's okay, it's pigmented too, just know that. Well, I'm really excited to try that. Oh my gosh, I really can do almost like a full face with all of the stuff that I got. I mean, I probably can't do a full face, but I can do like most of a face, because guess what the last thing in the box is? The Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, I know that was like the most annoying oh my god ever, but oh, and this is so beautiful for fall right now too. Oh my god. I just want to swatch a few of them really quick. I hope that I don't regret this. Okay, I'm going like right over top of that eyeliner. That was probably too light for you guys to see. Let me try this green one. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me try brown. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh my god. But these are seriously so, oh my god, look at that gold one. Ugh. My fingers, you can see the pigmentation. Even after like wiping them off, that's what they look like. Okay, you guys, so that's everything. I've unboxed everything that I have received thus far, and thank you so much for tuning in. I don't know if this was a fluke, if people like made a mistake and sent me stuff, but I'm so thankful anyways, and I hope this isn't the last of the PR packages that I get, and if I do get more, let me know if you guys want to see like unboxing videos, or if you would prefer for me to do that on Snapchat or whatever. I think it's like more fun to come on here and do an actual video unboxing everything, because then I can keep it forever, and like, you know, Snapchat goes away in 24 hours. But you guys let me know if you want to see more PR unboxings, if I get more PR. And I would just like to say thank you so much to Movement, to the Brow Gal, and to Sigma for believing in me enough and in my talents enough to send me such great, wonderful, quality products that I like genuinely love. And so thank you to everybody for watching, and please don't forget to tune in to my next tutorial. Bye.